In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal Business to Go High Level. First, make sure you're working inside the correct sub-account in your Go High Level dashboard. This is important because any payment integration you set up will only apply to the specific sub-account you've selected. So before you do anything else, look at the top of your screen and confirm that you're in the right location or brand. If you manage multiple clients or businesses, double check this now to avoid having to redo the setup later. Once you know you're in the correct sub-account, go ahead and navigate to the Payments section. You can usually find this in the left-hand menu. Click on Payments, and this is where all of your invoices, transactions, and payment settings are managed. Taking a moment to get familiar with this area will help you later when you want to send invoices or track revenue. Inside the Payments area, look for the Integrations tab or button. This is where you'll connect payment gateways like PayPal. Click on Integrations and you should see a list of available providers that Go High Level supports. In that list, locate PayPal. It may be labeled as PayPal Business or simply PayPal, depending on your interface, but it will be clearly identifiable. Next, click on the Connect button next to PayPal. This is what starts the linking process between your Go High Level sub-account and your PayPal business account. When you click Connect, a new window or tab will typically open, redirecting you to PayPal's secure login page. If pop-ups are blocked in your browser, you may need to temporarily allow them so the PayPal window can open properly. Now, you'll be asked to fill in your PayPal business details and follow the on-screen prompts. This usually includes logging in with your PayPal business credentials, reviewing the permissions that Go High Level is requesting, and confirming that you authorize the integration. Carefully read each screen so you know exactly what access you're granting. Once you've confirmed everything inside PayPal, you'll be redirected back to Go High Level. After the connection is complete, you should see PayPal listed as connected under your payment integrations in the Payments section. From here, you can start using PayPal to accept payments on your invoices, funnels, or checkout pages within that specific sub-account. If anything doesn't look right, simply disconnect and repeat the process, making sure you're logged into the correct PayPal business account